Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, Filtering Data. My name is Julie Sidoni and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss options for filtering data within Excel sheets. Filtering is somewhat similar to conditional formatting, but filtering allows you to temporarily show or hide data based on the specific conditions you specify, while conditional formatting allows you to change the appearance of cells that meet those conditions. Within Excel, your sheet must have column headers before applying filtering options. To add filter options to columns, navigate to the Data tab in the Sort and Filter section. Then click the Filter icon. Each column header now appears as a drop-down box with various filter options. You can now show or hide data in two different ways. The first option allows you to show or hide data based on the values or information of cells within a specific column. To do this, click the arrow within the column you want to use to filter your data. Check or uncheck the boxes that include the cell contents you want to show or hide, then click OK. To remove this filter, click the arrow within the column. Click Clear Filter from Column Name, in this case, Clear Filter from Fiscal Year, or you can recheck the unchecked boxes, and then click OK. The second filter option allows you to show or hide data based on more specific text or number filters. Text filters allow you to filter text that equals, does not equal, contains, or does not contain specific words, where number filters allow you to filter values that equal, do not equal, are greater than or less than, that are above average or below average, etc. To apply a specific text or number filter, click the arrow within the column where you want to filter your data, hover over text filters or number filters, select the filter option you want to apply, such as text filters, contains, and then enter the values in the first box. If you are using a text filter, values are not case sensitive. You can also add additional filter criteria if you choose to. Once you are ready to apply this filter, click OK. Your data are now filtered based on the specific criteria you selected. To completely remove filter options from all columns within a sheet, navigate to the Data tab and the Sort and Filter section. The filter icon should be gray, indicating that filtering has been applied. Click the filter icon again to remove filtering from all column headers. Thank you for watching Filtering Data. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.